Pen Kit with 30 bits engraving pen for metal, wood, glass, and plastic versatile engraver pen for DIY jewelry crafts, glass, wood, leather, and metal working. I'm honestly impressed with this engraving pen kit. For the price, it delivers way more than expected. The 30 included bits give you a lot of flexibility whether you are working on wood, metal, glass, or even leather. The pen itself is lightweight and easy to control, which makes it perfect for detailed work like jewelry or custom design. I was able to start using it right out of the box without any complications. The adjustable speed is a huge plus because it lets you switch between materials smoothly. I've tried it on glass and wood so far, and the results came out clean and professional looking. It's definitely beginner friendly, but still powerful enough for more serious DIY projects. Overall, this is a great tool for anyone into craft, personalization, or even small business work. I highly recommend this product.